Hi, I'm Laurie Schneider from Fix Catering out of Austin, Texas. Today, on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to show you how to make mini turkey and Parmesan burgers on pita bread. So while the rest of my turkey burgers are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get the garnishes ready for my mini sandwiches. So the first thing that I'm going to do is start with an onion, because I like onion on my burgers. And what we're going to do is go ahead and peel it. And we're going to make onion rings, so we're going to leave it whole so we can cut it whole. So I'm going to pull off this outside skin of the onion because this part of the onion is inedible. Like so. And from here we can go ahead and cut onion rings to fit on our burger. Get rid of that extra skin, and now I'm just going to cut rings. Oops. And you want to get them kind of thin because you don't want a big mouthful or big chunk of onion when you take a bite of it. Other thing you want to be careful of when you're slicing your onions is just be very careful because it is not very stable because it's rolling around here. You don't have a flat edge to rest it on, so just be careful. And this is what your onion rings will look like. And because we're doing the mini burgers, we're going to use the actual smaller rings of the onion. So we'll use those for our burgers. And we'll save the outer rings for when we make regular burgers or for a sauce or dish later. So we've got small burgers, so we need small onion rings.